Hey everyone, here we are at the pumpkin patch and my little one picked the pumpkin he liked. Now that we have our pumpkin, let's start preparing your pumpkin for carving. Whether you're a seasoned pumpkin carver or a first timer, these steps will help you achieve the best results. Rinse your pumpkin, adding a small amount of mild dish soap and gently scrub the surface to remove any dirt or impurities. Once you scrub the entire surface, rinse the pumpkin thoroughly with clean water. Allow it to air dry or use a clean towel to gently pat it dry. Now that your pumpkin is clean and dry, it's ready for carving. I'm planning to cut the bottom of the pumpkin. The stem should remain attached, and this is what will help keep your pumpkin fresh for a longer period. The stem acts as a natural plug, preventing rapid moisture loss and prolonging the life of your pumpkin. I'm using a marker to draw an outline. I'm placing the pumpkin in a spoon holder so that the stem won't get damaged, and it helps me cut along the outline. It's important to cut at a slight inward angle to create a lid that will fit snugly back into the pumpkin. So carefully cut along the marked circle. After cutting the bottom, gently lift it away. So before starting carving, let's clean the inside of a pumpkin. The stringy pulp and seeds can make carving difficult and can also lead to a faster pumpkin damage. So for this, you will need a sturdy metal spoon, a bowl for seeds, and a garbage bag for pulp. It's also a good idea to have a towel or a paper towel for cleanup. Now take your spoon and use a scooping motion to remove the stringy pulp and seeds from the pumpkin's interior. Work from top down, making sure to get into all the nooks. Continue to scrape and scoop until the inside of the pumpkin is clean and you're left with a smooth interior surface. Be patient. There you have it. You can separate the seeds from the pulp and place the seeds in a separate bowl. You can roast them later for a delicious snack. I'm using a dry erase marker to create a temporary outline that can be easily corrected or erased as needed. I don't have any pumpkin carving kit. I'm just using an apple core cutter to cut the eyes. Using dry erase marker helps you erase the outlines left out after your carvings. After you have finished carving your pumpkin, take a small amount of petroleum jelly, the Vaseline, gently apply a thin, even layer to the cut edges and exposed surfaces of your pumpkin. This will help lock in moisture and keep your pumpkin fresh. With the petroleum jelly applied, your pumpkin remains moist, and kids can enjoy touching the carved design without the worry of it drying out. Now gently sprinkle ground cinnamon powder into the pumpkin. You can adjust the amount based on your preference for fragrance intensity. As the pumpkin sits with the cinnamon inside, it will gradually release the cozy aroma. Now let's place a lit tea light candle inside your pumpkin. Safety note: never leave a burning candle unattended, especially when using it inside your pumpkin. I did this for my little one, so I just did a happy face for him. You can do something more cooler and nicer. Whether it's a happy face for your toddler or any design you've carved, it's sure to be a wonderful addition to your fall decor. And pumpkin disposal is indeed an important topic, especially after Halloween. So in our next video, we'll cover various eco-friendly ways to dispose your pumpkin, from compositing to create alternatives. Stay tuned and be sure to subscribe so you won't miss it. Happy decorating and see you in the next video.